Hey, what's up everyone? Drew Manning here from Fit to Fat to Fit and known online as the Keto Guy. So here's an interesting fact about the ketogenic diet. Did you know that the keto diet is the only diet that you can actually prove that you're doing it right, which is amazing, right? So how do you prove that you're actually doing keto right? You test your blood ketone levels. So there's different forms of testing. You could test your blood, your urine, your breath. Blood ketone testing is the gold standard in the industry. Sure, you could buy the cheap urine strips, but those things, are a waste of money, mostly because they're not accurate and they don't tell you your exact blood ketone levels. The blood ketone monitoring is a lot more accurate because it's a true showing of what levels of ketones are in your blood that your body can use as energy. So the urine strips just show the ketones that your body's getting rid of through waste versus the ketones that are in your blood. Those are the ones that your body's actually using as an energy source. So how do you go about testing your blood ketone levels? There's a bunch of different companies that make these blood ketone monitors where you prick your finger and you put your blood on a testing strip and then the device will show you what your numbers are. Anything above 0.5 is nutritional ketosis, and that's pretty much all you need to know. So if you're above 0.5, you're in ketosis, you guys, and that's what makes keto so amazing and so interesting, is you could actually test it in your blood to show that you're in a state of ketosis. So what is the best blood ketone monitor out there? Keto Coach X, and I'll tell you why. So each test strip is individually foil wrapped to ensure stability. When it's exposed to air like other companies have, it can affect the readings, which can give you an inaccurate reading. The cool thing about the testing device as well is that there's no need to code the device, and so there's no wasted strips or errors that the device will give you. It's auto-coded, so it's ready to go right off the bat. Also, it uses less blood compared to other brands. Less blood means less likely to waste strips. Also, Keto Coach X uses a premium lancing device for ultimate comfort to reduce pain of pricking your finger. So all you people out there that don't like the pain of pricking your finger, this is by far the best one. Also, it's very cost efficient. Each test strip is only 59 cents each per strip compared to upwards of $2 per strip that some companies charge. All right, so it's super simple to test your blood ketones. Literally, with the Keto Coach X device, you turn it on, okay? So it's on. You're gonna open the individually wrapped test strip, like so. You're gonna put this end into the top, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna prick yourself, just like this. Draw a little bit of blood. See, it was painless, you guys couldn't even feel that. There's a little tiny bit of blood right there. And you're gonna put it on the test strip. And there we go, little countdown timer for you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. 0.6, you guys. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Drew is in ketosis today. Anything above 0.5 is nutritional ketosis. So guess what? I'm in ketosis today. And that's how simple it is. And that's how you know you're doing keto the right way. So if you want to know if you're doing keto the right way and you want to know if you're in ketosis and with an accurate reading, head over to ketocoachx.com, use my code FITFATTOFIT, and keep living the lifestyle, you guys. We'll see you around.